Cooper, are you eating some green beans? Huh? Green beans? Who's on your cup? Elmo. Watching TV. Yeah.
It's automatic, Gio. Just walk toward the door.
Hey, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Cooper. Nope. TV eyes.
It's a super duper market.
We need to find fruit and yogurt so Samantha can feed Tyler his snack.
Let's get the yogurt first. We'll need to get up high so we can find where it is.
Let's bounce up to those flags and take a look. We can use our bouncy shoes.
Fancy shoes on.
Well, this is not a very exciting video. This is on our new camera. Alright. Hope all you guys are doing well. We love you.